This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages. I am at Secrets Playa Blanca in Costa, Mujeres, which is north of Cancun. We're going to do a room tour. This is a very new resort, just opened earlier in 2024. This is a Preferred Club ocean view. So when you come in, this is what you'll see. Absolutely beautiful room. So over here, you have a little bit of storage. Something to note, which I thought was interesting, move the phone, is they have the USB and the C charger. You don't see the C very often. USB is becoming more common, but not the C. And they do have it on both sides of the bed. But being a new resort, that was a nice surprise. I wondered if they were going to start doing that. So again, some of the amenities might be different if you're in a non-preferred room, like some of the toiletries, maybe some of the snacks. Lots of drawers for storage. I just realized I missed the closet. We'll come back to that. Mini bar, which is included because this is an all-inclusive resort. Let's go check the outside. I hear music. There was not music earlier that I could hear. It was actually an empty pool earlier. So both of those doors open. But yeah, there was nobody in the pool earlier. So much so I started wondering if there was anybody here. There was a hurricane just a few days ago, so I would not have been surprised if it had been a little more quiet than usual. Thankfully, everything looks great. If they had any damage, it's not noticeable or has already been cleaned up. So they do have some swim up rooms. Let's zoom in on these. Okay. Anyway, so you have some seating out here, as well as the huge tub. And you do have the screen. Whoops. If you wanted to just shut that. All right, let's go check out the closet. The magnets are pretty strong on these, so it's, you just gotta give a little extra pull. And that is a steamer. So if you need to get the wrinkles out, you can. They have robes, slippers. This is for room service. If you don't want to be bothered when you order room service, you can request it be put in here. They will slide it in there, And then you can get it right here and you don't even have to get dressed or answer the door or anything like that. But I do highly recommend putting a little tip in there for whoever is bringing your food. Okay. We do have some amenities. There's a hairdryer right down there. Quite a few amenities, which I think a lot of these are going to be specific to preferred club rooms. Obviously, everybody's going to have a cleansing bar, but the other stuff may vary. May even vary by the time when you're here as well. We have some insect repellent, a sewing kit, vanity kit, shower cap, shave kit, shoe mitt, dental kit, hair comb, toothpaste. So again, that could change. Even if you're in preferred club, those are not always everything being a guarantee because, you know, things change over time. But that is what I got right now. Toilets behind the glass. And then this does have a thing that closes to give a little additional privacy if you need it. So you can see, and it will go further, but that's as far as I'm pulling it right now. So that can give you a little extra privacy if you need it. Beautiful big tub. And they have bath salts and bubble bath included. And for the shower, you have the rainfall shower as well as the handheld. And for bath, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. That is it. Preferred Club Ocean View at Secrets Playa Blanca.